The next problem we're gonna do is a binary tree level order traversal. And basically, at each level, we're gonna have to return a nested list of the values. So for that, we're gonna need an empty, or we're gonna initialize our result as an empty array or list. Then we're gonna create a DFS function. So def DFS, and it's gonna take in a node and a depth together at each level, so we know what level we're at. And first, we just gotta check if it's not a node, then we can just return none or null. Then if we gotta check if the length of our list is the is the same as our det, then we want to append an empty list. Then which is we want to append the value the value of our node at our current det. So it's gonna look like this. So result at the current det dot append node dot val, like that. Then we want to do the same for uh for the left and right child, but we want to increment the depth by one. So DFS of node dot left and 1 plus our current depth. And the same for the right child, so node dot right 1 plus depth. And that's basically it. And we just gotta call the DFS function onto our root, and that's gonna have an initial value of 0. Then once that, we can just return the result, and it's gonna give us the nested list.